The Cajuns. Then you go to Pawn. Look at them Pawn. Ooh-wee! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Martin Funny. I am back with another mukbanger. And we got
me, Brooke,
on the side joining us today with this lovely Wingstop. Ooh-wee. What we got from Wingstop, you guys? We got us some, I got me some wings. Classic style, bone in. Do you hear me? Garlic Parmesan and some Cajun. Cajun, I got right now. Cajuns. Then you go to Pawns. Look at them Pawns. And then I got some fries back here.
we got a chicken sandwich.
You want to show what you got?
I put my bun over here.
Chicken sandwich, y'all. Bam. Then on the side, we got us some Coke. Bam. Just like that. Yeah. Nice and cold. I got me some ranch on the side, y'all. And some blue cheese. I never had blue cheese, so we're going to try today. All right. Let's dig in. Let's eat. I wonder if I got the right fries. Yours taste salty or not?
No, not for real. What does yours taste like?
Huh? What mine taste like? Salt.
That's kind of like sweet.
Sweet. On yours?
Yeah.
Got us some blue. You had cheap blue cheese before?
I've never ate blue cheese.
What?
Oh.
Okay. Blue cheese is a little thicker than the ranch. I remember. I'm going to go in with one. Should I go in with one? I'm going to go in with one of these garlic prawns first. I'm going to go in with one of these garlic prawns, y'all.
Years later.
Let y'all look at that real quick. I'm gonna try one of these garlic prawns. Nice and hard, just like I want it, crispy. You can taste the parm on there.
Apart from.
Middle of my mukbang. Wait, go to the room. We're doing a video. Alright, back y'all. Catherine just got out of church. She be loud and shit. We got a studio. I forgot why I was in the tunnel.
Oh, the well done chicken. I think they well done my chicken sandwich too.
They did? Well, it's not crispy?
That's really crispy. Like almost no chicken left crispy.
Fries busting.
Yeah, that was pretty good. How's your blue cheese?
I didn't try it. My fries taste sweet or something. I'm confused.
That's what I'm saying.
Yours taste sweet?
Yeah.
They put sugar on my fries? Yeah, what? Let me try one of these Cajuns. Ooh, bussin'. Spicy. Too much spice on there, okay? Yeah, look at that. Spicy. This the Cajun. It's the Cajun, y'all.
The hot. A little too hot.
Yeah. Bussin', y'all. Bussin'.
Maybe you forgot to call and tell me you wanted to flap something.
Oh, yeah. It's all good. Some of this ranch, y'all. Up in there. I'm gonna try some of this blue cheese here in a second, y'all. Try this one. Blue cheese.
That looks hot.
It's spicy inside as hell. Blue cheese. I don't know. It's a weird taste. Let me try one more time.
Why don't you try it with one of the Parm ones?
Let me try the one.
Maybe the Cajun's throwing it off. Ooh, that's a lot for something you're not sure about.
Damn, for the sneeze or something, that damn Cajun. I don't know how to feel about it. That's weird. I don't know how to feel about it though. I don't know.
Ranch is fire.
Want to try it?
Mm-mm. No. Oh my God. Help. It stinks.
What? Excuse me.
Hell no.
What? You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
It tastes the way it smells.
It does.
Crazy. Y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And make sure you like this video up.
That was dangerous. Is the ranch helping it?
Mm-hmm. Bay Ranch is one of the best. Who told you that? One of my favorite ranches. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. don't know if I'm full or hungry because the ranch is really good.
It's one of the best ranches. Telling you, that and Dairy Queen.
I like Dairy Queen's food, period. Well, not the breakfast grill.
I'm not Dairy Queen either. I just like that ranch. Let me get ranch, and that's it.
I love their flamethrower
Oh, you want?
hamburgers.
Yep.
I love hot sandwiches.
That's hot.
What?
That sandwich.
The one I just ate? Mm-hmm.
That sandwich hot?
It was.
It was. It's not no more?
No, it's gone now. It's like a regular chicken sandwich to me.
Ooh. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video up. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I drop videos.
Oh no, I got honey heat and it's not hot.
I got honey in the camera too. Put more honey in it.
I wanted the heat to the honey. So I got honey heat.
Until I come back to see you guys again, I'm already too funny. Peace.